Students, today we are going to discuss about the B section of chapter amine in unit nitrogen containing organic compounds. Here a single compound of nitrogen named aniline. Its molecular formula is C6H5NH2 and its structural formula is phenyl ring and normal coefficient rating of NH2. It is in the structural formula of aniline. Today we studied the formation methods of aniline, and first we take a important method named lab preparation method or lab formation method of aniline. The aniline is an aromatic amine product. It is made by reduction of nitrobenzene by tin and HCl. So we take their chemical reaction. The formula of tin is Sn. It reacts with hydrochloric acid HCl to form stand chloride SnCl4 and make hydrogen H2. For balancing we use 2 and 4. According to this reaction, nascent hydrogen is produced here. It is helpful for the reduction of nitrobenzene. You know that the formula of nitrobenzene is C6H5NO2. It reduced by producing hydrogen or nascent hydrogen. Active mass of H shown the symbol of nascent hydrogen. Here nitrogen consumed hydrogen atom and converted on amines NH2, and also oxygen consumed hydrogen for the formation of water molecule. So first change, nitrogen adopt hydrogens C6H5NH2 after reduction, and hydrogen atom react with oxygen to form water molecule. Here 2 oxygen atoms are available, so for balancing we use 2, twice H2. Now count the total number of hydrogen who produced water molecule and make aniline. Here nitrogen have 2 hydrogens and water molecule also have 4 hydrogens. So total number of hydrogen atoms are 6 consumed in this reaction. So it is in the laboratory preparation concept of aniline. A simple way we say that the reduction of nitrobenzene gives aniline in lab. Now we make its diagram and then we discussed about their laboratory preparation method. Also, this reaction is completed in their structural formula is given as the formula of nitrobenzene, structural formula of nitrobenzene is this. In benzene ring, normal position we add NO2, then it is known as nitrobenzene. It reduced by nascent hydrogen who produced by tin and HCl. Sn plus HCl to form aniline. NH2 and subtracted water molecule H2. Now its diagram. Laboratory preparation method. In this laboratory method, we take a flask and take some important reactant for the formation of aniline, and this flask is adjusted with stand. This flask is heated with the help of sand heater. Because it provides temperature in flask, and sand heater is heated by burner. This conjugation tube is joined with leaving condenser. And finally it is adjusted with the receptor. In cold atmosphere. In leaving condenser, one-sided cold water in and other-sided hot water out for the cooling of aniline. Water in and water out. Here the mixture of nitrobenzene taken in a vessel and it is reduced by nascent hydrogen. This flask is heated with burner and sand heater. Then this sand heater provides equal energy in the flask. And after heating, chemical reaction will start here, and the hydrogens consumed by nitrogen and oxygen to form the steam of aniline. This aniline is produced in a gas form and it is impure. It passes on this conjugation tube or connecting tube and it is liquefied by leaving condenser. And collected in this receptor. C6H5NH2 aniline. After crystallization, it collected in pure form. So students, it is the lab preparation method of aniline. Another class we discussed about some other formation methods of aniline and then their chemical reactions and physical properties.